Hello, this is Jane with Jane Wayne Design. I'm going to show you today in this tutorial how to send an email to all the subscribers in your bulk email list. To begin with, you're going to be sent an email that looks something like this. And it gives you some detailed information, and you're going to want to save this information so that you can refer back to it every time you want to send out a newsletter or a promotional email to the people on your subscribers list. Now, part of your bulk email subscription is that you're going to be set up with a page to allow people to subscribe to your list. This is also a really nice thing to have in your email signature as well. But on your home page and throughout your website, you're going to have this newsletter sign up link. And when your people click on this, you're going to get a page that allows people to sign in with their name and their email address. And when they do this, your bulk email subscription is going to automatically update your list for you. Also, when people unsubscribe, which all of your newsletters that you send out should have an unsubscription link, that's going to also allow people to unsubscribe as they would feel they want to. So, to begin with, show you how to send out your first email to your subscribers is you're going to come over here to the email, and I have these two browsers side by side so I can read the instructions and also perform the actions on the right hand side, and you might want to do the same thing. Just kind of size this properly so I can just see what I need to see. And this one is just scooched over here. And this tells me in the email that you've been sent, it tells me that you have a couple of emails to be concerned with. One is your subscription email, and the other is your moderator email address. So the first one with the subscription email address, that's the email address that houses all your subscribers. And the second one is your moderator email address, and that is the email address that tells your system how to respond to you and whether it can respond to you, because you are in fact a moderator. So as an example, the first thing you're probably going to want to do is determine how many people are on your list. And to do that, you're going to send an email to this email down below. It's info-list@marinpethospital.info. And you're going to send that from hello@marinpethospital.info. So if you go over here and you've logged into your email account, you are going to compose an email. You can just copy this and paste it in here. And you're going to use this drop down, and this if you're using the Google Apps account, I would have set this up for you ahead of time. This is hello@marinpethospital.info. So it's from hello@marinpethospital.info and to info-list@marinpethospital.info. Just as a general practice, I'm just going to fill this subject line in, but it does not need to be here. Just request. Okay. And I'm going to hit send. And that's okay. You're telling the system to recall the list of subscribers for you. And it takes a couple of minutes, but when it comes, it's going to look like this. And I've done this ahead of time in order to expedite this video. But when it does, you're going to get a list that looks something like this. It's going to tell you how many people are on your list and who is on your list. So the next step that you're going to take is you're going to be sending an email to all the people on your subscribers. And this is a pretty simple process. You're going to also send an email from hello@marinpethospital.info. So we're going to come up here, use hello@marinpethospital.info to your subscriber list. Remember, that's your subscription email address. This is what houses all the people who have subscribed to your list, paste that over there, and this is going to need a subject, so we're going to call this newsletter test. And for the moment, what I'm going to do is save this, because this client has had an HTML custom email body created for this particular newsletter. So in order to capture that, I'm going to save this, and I'm going to go over here to the HTML email where this custom HTML body has been saved. I'm going to drop down here, copy or select all of the body of this email, copy it, go back over here to my drafts. This is the newsletter test that I just created. Click in the body of this email and paste. And now you can see that we have this pasted in there. Text that you want to include will go in here, so I can just type away. This is where my newsletter goes. Oops, I'm missing an S. And in Google Apps, you do have some fun options in here. You can actually save it in different colors. Let's see if we want to use like a dark blue or something. We've got some bold options, some alignment options, highlighting options. And when we're finished, we're just going to hit send. And that's going to send it to everybody that we just saw on that list of subscribers. Well, that's it for your video tutorial on how to send an email to everyone on your bulk email list. Thank you for watching.